Hello everyone, hope you all are healthy and safe. So in the current situation, it's best to have healthy home cooked food. So here is a very easy and delicious snack recipe, cheesy sweet potato balls. And for this recipe, I'm going to use a very healthy method for cooking, and that's I'm using an Appe Pan to make these balls. And also you can shallow fry if you don't have an Appe Pan. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also like and share with your family and friends. Let's get started now. So I've taken 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and I have cleaned them properly, and then I will cut it into halves and then boil them. I like to create recipes with sweet potatoes, especially for kids, because they are very healthy and nutritious and they have many health benefits. So I'm going to peel off the skin after I boil them. Now mash them properly using a potato masher or your hands so that they don't have any lumps. Add chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now using your hands, make a smooth dough. Cover it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Take out the mixture after 30 minutes. Now take any cheese cubes available. I've taken cheddar cheese cube, and you need some breadcrumbs. Take small portions of the dough, flatten it with your hands, and then put the cheese cube at the center of the dough and make a ball. Now lightly coat it with breadcrumbs. And I'm going to repeat the same with the rest of the dough. If you have not watched my sweet potato smiley recipe as yet, do watch it. So now these balls are ready to be cooked. Now take an Appe Pan. If you don't have an Appe Pan, don't worry, you can shallow fry them. I'm lightly coating the Appe Pan with some oil. Keep the pan on low flame. After you grease it properly, put the balls one by one. Cover the pan with a lid and then cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Remove the lid after 2 to 3 minutes and then turn the balls one by one so that the other side is cooked properly. They actually got a little bit overcooked because I forgot to lower the flame, so it's best to keep the flame on low and keep turning them whenever required. Drizzle some oil. Keep turning them until all the sides are cooked. I'm going to shallow fry the rest of the balls on a pan. Turn them after one side is cooked and golden brown. Drizzle some oil if required. Cook until all the sides are cooked properly and golden brown. Once ready, serve them hot with any chutney or sauce of your choice. Hope you all liked the recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell icon so that you can get the update for any new videos uploaded. See you in my next video.